If you're cruising on Allure of the Seas, the Windjammer buffet is probably somewhere you'll visit more than once. For breakfast, lunch and dinner. But what's the food actually like? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you can expect here and whether it's really worth it. The Windjammer is the main buffet on board and it is huge. It's open the majority of the time. You can see the hours here. For me, there is so much choice and you'll find everything from hot meals and fresh salads to desserts and fruit. It really does cater for everyone. There's also a really good selection of hot dishes and more filling options. It's great if you're traveling as a family, as everyone can pick exactly what they want, even if it ends up being a slightly unusual mix. And just a quick disclaimer, don't judge what we put on our plates, it's a bit of everything. So come and have a look around with me. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to hit subscribe. I share lots of cruise tips, city breaks, theme parks and family travel videos, so I'd love to have you along. And keep watching because the dessert section is definitely worth it. Now onto the best part, the desserts. There's a huge selection here, from cakes and pastries to little bite-sized treats, so you can try a bit of everything. And they also have gluten-free and vegan options too, so make sure you check out the labels. And yes, we definitely didn't hold back here either. If you want to avoid the crowds, try coming slightly earlier or later than those peak times, and don't forget to explore all of the stations, as there's often more variety than you first think. If you're wondering where the best place to eat breakfast is on Allure of the Seas, I've got a full video comparing all the breakfast spots on board. If you've made it this far, you're going to find that one really helpful, so make sure you watch that next.